it, so. I'm sure you got one. It is a catfish.
I'm not touching it.
It's called a catfish.
Ow! Do not touch them things, Dad.
It's a little channel.
Touch them things.
It's a little channel catfish.
Can I hold it? Will it sting me?
Hold it up under the fins there.
Will it will them fins?
Not if you hold it under the fins.
But them spikes on their thing.
Yeah, the whiskers don't.
Hurt you? Will the whiskers hurt you?
No.
Oh.
They're just whiskers. Hold him underneath the fins there.
Like that?
Yep.
Oh.
Hold him tight.
Can I hold him in the mouth? Will he bite me down?
Now, I'm gonna have to start catfishing in this creek. That's the second catfish we caught out of here. Except the first one, the one I caught was freaking huge, and this is a baby one, so that tells you right there there's catfish in here. And lots of them apparently.
And they probably had trout and catfish tournament.
Alright, show him off to everybody there.
Hold his mouth. I'm gonna hold him like I showed you.
Little channel cat. Alright, get him back in the water.
Hold him like I wanted to, man. Wanna hold it like that? You want to hold it? Good! Good! Keep it on.
Well, there you go, my son, the king fisherman. Catches the second catfish out of this creek. Are you gonna say, you're not a... You got another one. Bluegill.
Hold it, I said. Now I hold it. It's calm, little baby.
You got gloves, man. You gotta grab him quick and hard. You gotta.
I hold it so good.
Get him up there quick or I'm not gonna take over.
You can do it. Then I hold it like that.
You got those gloves on. Man, that hurts. Yep, there's 2-0. 2 fish for my son, 0 fish for me. Not surprised, he's singing the song. Oh dang, you got one. Get him up out of there before he comes off.
Oh, you better not poke me at all.
5-0.
Oh no, I'm gonna be mad if you poke me. Ah! I'm not holding that. You can...
Come on, bruh.
No. They poke me.
You gotta learn how to put their fins down. Whoop. Now leave that be.
Probably from that ice storm, that's probably what happened.
Ice storm.
Yeah, that ice storm where ice falls out, like we had before. That's probably what happened. Made it melt, the water melt, and made it melt.
Yeah. Most people guess that I'm like, I don't know, 19, 20, something like that. Zigma, thank you for the good luck, man. I'm 31 years old. I'm still young. You got another one, man? I'm just gonna stop fishing and let him take over.
Catfish! Catfish!
That's a creek chub, man.
Calm down, buddy. I ain't gonna hurt you.
Yep, I'm 31, man. Now look, you got a lucky dragonfly.
Be calm, buddy. You'll be out in 1 minute. Daddy's little buddy can get him out. Daddy's.
Don't go down. You gotta.
These gloves are gonna break if you don't hurry.
Yeah.
They're both gloves. I can't put them in the mouth with
You know.
Hello, guys.
Yeah, that's what most people. That's what most people guess is 19. Gotta go. One of my friends is having chest pains and shortness of breath. I am on the way there. Talk to you later. Dang, dude. Okay. Little Ed. I hope everything's all right, man. God dang it! He just caught a freaking another one.
Stop! I can't reach that line. That one would not hurt me. I can get my fingers through it.
Okay. What is that? Fish number 7?
Oh, look at them spikes down here.
I'm just gonna let him catch all the fish. This is his day, y'all. It's his day.
Daddy does not like nothing. Papa.
Fish on!
What is that?
Red eye.
Nuh-uh.
What now? What are you gonna do now? It's 7-1. I'm catching up.
You're fishing right here and getting nothing. I'm fishing right over here. You have worm poop on your hand.
What? Alright, never mind. It's 8-1. There's a little red eye. And he goes and catches another one, so he's...
And you're not going to catch
I thought I was going to catch up.
But no.
I thought I was going to catch up.
Nope. Haha, got you. Now you won't catch up this time. Hey, fix that worm, mate.
My son just called me a loser.
Yay! Got me another, got me another.
There's
Okay.
fish number 9.
And bye-bye.
To my 1. Ah, it came off. I'm catching your fish. Oh, what is that?
Get the net, get the net.
Hey, that's a huge red eye. Hey, we don't need the net. That's a red eye, dude. That's a huge red eye bass.
Oh, my gracious egg. Well, I'm getting my pole right now and sticking it in his mouth. I'm getting messed up.
Get the net.
Fish again.
Pudmeister, if you understood the things that have happened, you would understand. I'm sorry. Like I said, I didn't mean to be rude, but obviously you took it that way. So have a nice
You don't
day.
care about me.
Tequila Sunrise, how you doing? What's up? There's a red eye rock bass, y'all. That's the biggest one I've ever caught out of here, too. Big guy. Big guy.
Honey, I need a napkin.
Napkin. I ain't got no napkins. You have to wash off in the water.
Oh, boy. Up there, dude. I'm fishing one.
No problem. No problem.
Give me a second. Give me one.
What do you got now? You got him still.
Give me that. Give me that.
Get him in before he comes off.
Oh, dude. Are you together? Yay, I got 10 points.
10 fish.
Yay, I'm going to beat that guy.
10 to 2.
Nah, nah, woo, woo. Woo! You're not going to beat me. Ah! Hurry. See?
He says he's got a bass or something. Let's see if he's just trolling me. He's pretty good at trolling. I think he's got something. Hey, you got something though. It's a pretty big bluegill.
I told you. I was just kidding you. It was heavy. It was heavy though. I didn't know what it is. It looks like a catfish to me. That's weird.
12 and 2.
Yay! Uh-oh. Bird fish over here now.
12 and 2. Yeah, babe, he caught a catfish. It was a little channel catfish about like that. Re-gearing, thank you. He's out fishing the heck out of me, man. Makes me proud.
Go get it out. I got number 13.
Fish number 13.
Yay!
Joey, you out, man? Have a great day, dude. Appreciate you chilling with us for a little bit.
A little bitty red-eye deer.
Itsy bitsy teeny weeny red eye. That was on the little Joe fly.
Who do you know?
I caught him on a Joe fly.
I didn't know you put a Joe fly on.
Itsy bitsy Joe fly.
What are your flies?
Red eye rock bass. What's up, hardtack? That's fish number 3 for me.
Number fish.
Oh, my son almost caught fish number 13.
No, I already have 15.
Be careful near that tree. You already caught 13?
Yep.
Alright, y'all. My son's done fishing, so we're gonna head out. We got a good 2 hours and 15 minutes. Oh, the Crab Ninja, thank you for the host, man. We got a good two hours and 15 minutes in, though. That's good. I'm proud of him for staying out here this long. But he ended up catching that catfish. He caught a catfish, a bunch of creek chub, a bunch of bluegills. He outfished the heck out of them. So, yeah, I'm proud. Did a good job. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Appreciate the support. If it's not raining tomorrow, I'll probably be fishing on my lunch break. Tomorrow afternoon, I'm not really sure. It all depends on the weather. But if you want a notification when I go live, just join the Discord or follow the channel, either way. But usually I stream after work, 6 p.m. Eastern, throughout the week. And then on the weekends, I usually stream pretty much the majority of the day if the weather permits. So. Oh yeah, and also my Discord's linked up with a bunch of other fishing channels, so if you want to get a notification when another fishing channel goes live, you can get that in my Discord. But anyway, hope you guys have a great night. See you tomorrow.